Take two.
Take two. We had an interruption. Somebody wanted to call my daggone phone and blew the whole situation. So what I'm doing now is just taking this just spring off down here. Okay, man, the spring is being released. The spring is off now. Now remember, the spring went downwards. So I'm going to take this over there and get it out of the way. Now it's pretty much loose. I can pop, if you put the camera down here, I can pop this piece off. That's out of the way, and if you notice, it's got something plastic down here that needs to be reinstalled on the new short shifter. So now that that's loose, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take this top piece and this bolt with this clip and this clip and this bolt off to release the top part of this, so I can go ahead and put the new one in and get all this stuff done. So I'm going to stop the video and make a third video finalizing the whole process on how easy it is to actually do this job.